What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy and we are back with Megalook hair. So modeling today we have my girl Remarkable, the daughter of the late and great Easy E. So my girl Ashley already did the full color for this wig. It was super quick and super easy, and y'all should definitely tune into that. So let's go ahead and apply this wig. Alright, let's cut the excess lace off. Alright, so pieces of the cap are showing a little bit, so I'm going to take my scissors and try to cut that out. So to make the lace blend in with her skin a little better, I'm going to take some powder foundation and dab the front. Now we can get ready for this press. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair nice and straight and as dry as I can. Then we're going to hit it with the flat iron. And for a little added cuteness, I'm gonna add some baby hair in the front. Alright, let's take my concealer and darken that part up a little bit more. And just like that, that is it. So this video was really short and sweet, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Megalook Hair, for this beautiful lace closure glueless wig. The hair is nice and soft, no shedding, and it was perfect for this look. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. I will see y'all later.